Chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. The weightage of this chapter is 22 marks. So out of 90 marks of your paper, the questions that will be asked from trigonometry will contain 22 marks. So it's a very important topic. First of all, let us try to understand what are the topics that we are going to cover in this. We'll introduce trigonometry first, then trigonometric ratios, then trigonometric ratios of specific angles, and then trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So these are the topics that we are going to cover. So let us introduce trigonometry first. So introduction to trigonometry. First of all, trigonometry means this part. If I consider this part trig, this stands for triangle. So this trig stands for triangle, and this metry. Metry means measures. So trigonometry, that means triangle and measures. Triangles and its measures. So for that, I need a triangle. But there is a condition. The triangle that we need to select should be a right angle triangle. So what I need to consider? I need to consider a right angled triangle. So let me take a right angle triangle first. So let this be a right angle triangle. Let me name this right angle triangle as ABC. So since it is a right angle triangle, one angle has to be right angle. That is, one angle has to be 90 degree. So let this angle B be equal to 90 degree. Now what does this trigonometry tell us, or what is the use of this trigonometry? The use of this trigonometry is basically to find out the sides or angles of a triangle. So how many sides does a triangle have? A triangle has three sides. Any triangle will have three sides and three angles. So in this right angle triangle, which are the three sides? The three sides are AB, AB, then BC, and then AC. Now in this right angle triangle, we have three sides, that is AB, BC and AC. Similarly, we have three angles. Which are the three angles? We have angle A, this one, then angle B, which is the right angle, and then we have angle C. So basically we have three sides and three angles. So this trigonometry will tell us the relationship between the three sides and three angles. So for that, we need to go into detail of trigonometry. So the first and very important point that we have learned now, that trigonometry is applicable only in right angle triangles. So trigonometry basically applicable only in right angle triangles. We are already having one right angle triangle over here, as we have seen in the previous slide as well. So let this ABC be a right angle triangle. So we can say triangle ABC be a right angle triangle where one angle is 90 degree. So we can say in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So this is fixed, that angle B is equal to 90 degree. Then now we have two angles left over here. The two angles are angle A and angle C. So if we consider this angle A over here, I can say angle A and angle C both are acute angles. Why they're acute angles? There is a simple logic behind it. We know that sum of measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So if I do angle A plus angle B plus angle C, I get 180 degree. But I know that this angle B is already 90. So instead of angle B, I can substitute the value of angle B, which is equivalent to 90 degree. So in the next step, I can get angle A plus 90 plus C will be equal to 180 degree. Now if I transpose this 90 degree to the right hand side, we get 180 minus 90. So afterwards, we'll get angle A plus angle C, will be equal to 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90 is going to give you 90 degree. So get this angle is 90 degree, angle A plus angle C. Now the sum of measures of angle A and angle C is 90. That means both of these will be less than 90. Say for example, A can be 40, C can be 50. So 40 plus 50 is 90, 60 plus 30 is 90, 70 plus 20 is 90, or 89 plus 1 is 90. Both of them will be less than 90. That is, we can say angle A is less than 90 degree, as well as angle C is less than 90 degree. So A and C both are 90 degree. That means A and C both are acute angles. And such acute angles are denoted by a notation. Now such acute angles are denoted by a notation like theta. This is called as theta. Spell it like this, theta. Theta. Not only theta, there are some other notations as well, like this is alpha, or else beta, and there are many more called as beta. The most commonly used notation is theta, and these acute angles are generally denoted by theta. Now in this triangle ABC, I have this angle B as 90 degree, as we have seen. We have two acute angles, angle A and angle C. So if I want to denote this angle A and angle C, what I can write down is, suppose if I select angle C, I can consider this angle C as theta. So instead of writing down angle C, what I can say is, this angle C is nothing but equal to theta. Also, if I want to change the notation, I have this angle A over here. I can denote this angle A as alpha. So I can say angle A stands for alpha. What does this mean? I'll give you a simple example. Suppose this angle C is, say, 50 degree. So I need not write down angle C is equal to 50 degree. Directly I can say that I know this angle C is denoted by theta. So I'll write down theta is equal to 50 degree. Suppose my angle A is, say, 40 degree. I can write down, instead of angle A, I can write down alpha is equal to 40 degree. So these are some of the notations that you'll come across when we'll solve the sums based on trigonometry. So alpha, beta, theta, they are nothing but their angles. They are generally considered as the acute angles. And again, trigonometry is applicable only in right angle triangles. So all the sums that will be there, they'll be based on right angle triangles only.